Hi kids. How are you today? Today we will learn about numbers. But first meet your new teacher.
Hi, I am Sam, your mathematics teacher. Come with me in my classroom. This is my classroom. I am waiting for all the students. Ooh, our first student is here.
Hi, I am 1. The number counting starts with me, so I will sit on the first bench. Hi, I am 2. I am sitting here because I always come after 1.
Can you guess who will come next? Yes, it's 3.
Hi, I am 3. But where should I sit? Let me sit here. Am I sitting at the right place?
No, it's the wrong place. You should sit after 2.
Yes, now I am at the right place.
Our next student is here.
Hi, I am 4. I always come after 3.
Can you guess the next student? Yeah, it's 5.
Hey kids, I am 5. Should I sit next to 4?
Yes, because you come after 4.
Hi, I am 6. I am sitting with 5, because I always come after 5. Hi, I am 7. Am I sitting at the right place?
No, it's wrong. You should sit after 6. Yes, now you are at the right place.
Hi, I am 8. I will sit next to 7.
Let's see who is the last student.
Hi, I am 9. I am the last number of single-digit numbers.
So all the students are here now. Let's play a game with them. All the numbers from 1 till 9 are here. We have to arrange them on the stairs from first to last. Who should be the first number? Yeah, it's 1. Who will be the next? Correct, it's 2. 2 will come after 1. Who will be the next? It's 4. Will 4 come after 2? No, it's wrong. So who will come after 2? Correct, it's 3. After 2 it's always 3. Now, the next number is 4. 4 is always after 3. Who will be the next? Superb, it's 5. After 4 it's always 5. Who will be the next number? Correct, it's 6. Six comes after 5. Who will come after 6? Ooh, is it 9? Will 9 come after 6? No, it's wrong. 9 is the last number. So who will come after 6? Yes, it's 7. Seven comes after 6. Who will be the next? Correct, it's 8. After 7 is always 8. Last one is so easy. Now 9 will come after 8. Now, all the numbers at their correct places. Kids, you played very well. You won the game. Great job. See you all again.